Hello everybody from Universal Studios Kong Parking Garage. Today's video we plan on going to Weasley's Wizard Wheezes and checking out some of the merchandise they have for sale, as well as quality Quiddich Supply, which is directly attached to there. And I think there might even be a sweet shop attached. So we're going to go check out all of that and find a bite to eat tonight in the park. Yeah, let's go do this. So we're making our way over to Diagon Alley. In King's Cross Station, they have the waters in the lagoon all going today. They haven't been doing the cinematic celebration here at Universal Studios for some time now, since we moved here in the middle of January. This is great. So this is definitely good news for the cinematic celebration to come back, honey. Definitely. Yeah, this is great news for those of you who like the cinematic celebration here at Universal Studios, because they had the waters lowered on the lagoon for quite some time, and they just raised them a few days ago. This is fantastic. Okay, so we just made it on into London. We're going to go through the way here, and we're going to go into Diagon Alley. This here is where I want to start my store tour at Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. The front window here, they have You Know Pooh, the constipation sensation heard around the nation. It's actually a wand spot as well for the interactive wands. This is probably my favorite of all of the Harry Potter stores here in Universal Studios. You check all the way up, like the lights and all the bright stuff, and all the stairwell. Like, it's so cool, the theming in here. And Umbridge. Here's the Blowing Bubble Boy for $16.99. They have the nose-biting teacups for $21.95. Chattering Teeth for $6.95. Oh, and this one's so cool. The extendable ear. If you guys remember that from the movie, so neat. For $25. Here's the Bubble Boy at the register. And you can get little pygmy puffs as well. And you actually adopt them here. And you choose the name, and they kind of do like a whole ceremony. I'll show you over here, though. They have bigger pygmy puffs. Right there. So they have two bigger pygmy puffs. These are $34.95. They have two different colors. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, the Pygmy Puff robes, they're soft, honey. You'd probably like that. Those are 70 bucks. Yeah. $26.95 for the slippers. And they have the wizard cards. They have the Vials of Love potion. These are $9.95. Basically, it's just like a flavored syrup that you put into your water. But it's a cool little knick-knack here for your shelf. Those are new too, aren't they, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are neat. They have Love Potion purses. What do they run?
58.
58 bucks.
It's a crossbody.
There comes Umbridge right here. So neat. I love the t-shirts as well. These are the ladies' ones. It's kind of like a tie-dye theme. Yeah, they're nice. 38 bucks. And of course, you got to get your You Know Pooh.
We have those.
Yep. These are actually glass. Like, the container is really cool. I think they're, I don't have a price.
Weren't they like $10?
Something like that. Maybe a little less. They're very reasonable though.
They're all the same size. They're $6.99.
Let's head on into Quality Quiddich Supply and see what they have. So neat. Get your whole setup here. You getting? Yeah. Yep. Your bludger, your bat, and your ball set. Yeah, honey. $24.95. They have the pendants for all the different houses for $14.95.
I like these.
Oh, those are the Quidditch ones.
$109.95.
They're good quality. They have the Noble collection.
That's
Different.
Quality Quiddich Supplies.
That's right. They have the different desktop brooms here. These are $65 a piece. Very cool. These are from the Noble collection. Sleepwear bundle, ladies tank with boxer or pant, $50. They're all down here.
Oh, that's not bad.
No, that's not terrible. I want to show the brooms here. These are from Noble collection as well. This is the one that we had. Very cool. I think they're $300. You get your fluttering golden snitch. These are $18.95. Yep. They have a golden snitch necklace. Hopefully you can see that. Try to get you in there. That's $155. Get your house hats. These are $27 even. They have all the different houses.
Do they still have the towels?
I'm not sure. Let's go look. Behind the counter, they have all the different houses for all the t-shirts. They have hoodies, scarves, and over here they have a really cool replica for Quidditch. Very neat. I love that. Very cool. So let's head on into the sweet shop here. This is attached to both Weasley Wizard Wheezes and the Quality Quiddich Supply. It's basically a slimmed down version of Honeydukes. So in here they have your chocolate frogs. I'm not sure how much they are, I forget. Felix Felice's Love Potion. This is kind of the same thing like they have for the other potion. These are $9.95. Oat chalks. Oh, they have the chocolate wands in here. These are cool. $7.95. Tung Toffee. $9.95. Okay, chocolate frogs are $12 each, or they're 3 for $30.
And this is called Sugarplum Sweet Shop.
Sugarplum Sweet Shop? They got the Birdie Bots every flavored bean. The packaging on these are really cool. Oh, these are new over here, huh? These are like tin. Yeah, 25 bucks. The packaging is really neat though. Look at these. Chocolate Frog collectible tin includes 5 wizard cards.
They didn't have those when we used to come here.
No, 25 bucks. That's really cool. These are very good. Fizzing Whizbees?
Yes, highly recommend.
Yeah, they have like
They're
that
so
rock
good.
candy in them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're excellent. I think they're 10 bucks. $9.95, yep. Get the Sugarplum's Sweet Shop milk chocolate bar. That's a big one, that's nice. Oh, these are new too, honey.
Yeah.
Oh, I like these a lot.
Ornaments.
Yeah, 24 bucks. Very cool.
Do these ones smell
Birdie
like
Bots.
chocolate?
Like your keychain.
No.
These are $24, the chocolate frog ones. Oh, okay. Yep, assorted flavors. They have Sugarplum Sweet Shop Taffy. How much are they?
$7.
$7, that's not bad. Not bad at all. The Birdie Bots every flavored beans are $12. Over here's the bulk candy. Okay, just like your typical candy store, they have a bunch of bulk candy that you could fill up.
You got your big lollipops over here.
Yep, we got our lollipops. Don't forget your Gilly water. Exploding bonbons. We never had those before. They're $9.95.
Chocolate cauldron.
Oh, I think we've seen these before on
Yeah,
something.
we never got them.
No, how much are they?
$10.
$10.
That's not bad.
No, not bad at all. Very cool.
Over here you have your sugar quills.
Ooh, cool. Oh, pepper M's, honey. You and the kids really like these.
So good.
These are only like $7, I want to say. They're like peppermint candies.
No, they're cinnamon.
Cinnamon candies, that's right. Got your sugar quills. $4.95. Very neat. Upon exiting Sugarplums, you'll have the backside of Weasley Wizard Wheezes, and it's so cool. Definitely take a minute to check out all the different theming and like murals they have painted up behind here. It is so cool. Okay, so I think that'll about wrap it up for today's video. If you like today's video, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and as always, make today awesome.